Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch finally the Wish Bus of Bikini. Let's go! So, ngayon ko lang siya mapapanood and I should be there. Kaso, umuulan, tapos wala pang nag-a-accept ng kahit anong motor. So, from Pasig to QC, kung pwede lang lumipad. Kaso, hindi talaga kinaya na umabot sa Wish Bus dun sa QC. Anyway, next time na lang. But at least, mapapanood natin siya ngayon. At look at that. Sobrang daming tao. Kung nandyan ako, nakigulo rin sana ako, no? Pero, grabe naman ang suporta ng Blooms. Simula tanghali, may tao na ata. Or umaga, may mga nag-aabang na. So, naulan na, naarawan. Grabe yung pagod ng Blooms. Basta masuportahan lang ang Bini. So, thank you Blooms. Thank you everyone for supporting our walo. And, pinahaba ko pa talaga yung intro ko, no? So, ko lang magkwento. Ayan. So, panoorin na natin. Because I'm so excited. At sana naman, more release sa kanilang live vocals. Of course, with Wish Bus. Start na nga natin. Okay. Alright. Let's do this. Totoo na to.
I step out in my bikini, heads turn when they see me, keep it at ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I can Monday. I don't leave no crumbs, yeah, like the play. This curve's making hurt. I'm worth all the work.
Hey, there's so much fun. Right.
Gonna give you full all day. I step out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new
Ang
bikini.
ganda ni Gwen,
Yeah,
grabe.
yeah, yeah. Just like that.
Oh my gosh.
You like that?
I like that.
Out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my God, look at what I got. Make a real thing, wanna stay faithful. You can go talk whatever you want, but it ain't you being so hateful. 'Cause these curves make it hurt. I'm worth all the work.
Alam mo, ikaw, Maloy.
No, what I serve.
That's crazy.
Keep you full all day. I step out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come
Hey.
over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just like that.
I like her voice so much.
Boy,
Ah.
let's go for a swim.
Of course. Favorite part.
See, boy, love on my skin, never been this deep, so dive right in, yeah.
Grabe yun, ah.
Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. It's like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. I step out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bitin talaga eh. Pwedeng isa pa.
Hi Wishers, we
Hey.
are Beanie. For more Wish-exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
Of course. One more please. Kasi, bitin ako doon. Sobra. One more.
Step out in my new bikini, heads turn
No,
when
first
they
time
see
niya
me,
umulit.
keeping it ocean breezy.
Nakasama kayo. Look at that. Thank you for showing up there, Aya. At least, buo ang walo natin dito. And the feats. Balikan natin yung feats kasi hindi ko kinaya si Gwen. Alright. Hello, my feet check. Oh my gosh. Di, kuwang-kuwa kasi talaga ako ni Gwen during this time. Yung mga pictures sa kanya, ay, grabe naman. And, I think siya yung last na pumasok, no? Kinabahan sila kasi akala nila 7 lang sila or kulang. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng mabuo ang bini ng kulang ng isa. So, 8. Thank you for showing up. Umulan man, traffic man, of course, nandyan kayo. And, right, of course, hindi ko na kinaya yung looks nila dito because they are oh so beautiful and gorgeous. Lahat na ng adjective na maganda nasa kanila. Wow, just wow.
I wanna beanie, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah.
Yan yung gusto ko sa'yo, siya maangas. Ah. Kuwang-kuwa tayo ni Mika lagi dun eh. Hey! Yes, you know what you serve, Stacy. Si Colette eh, oh. Isa rin to si Colette eh. After Gwen, grabe din yung... Gusto ko yung ganitong ayos ni Colette. Sobrang bagay sa kanya. Grabe naman yung chain niya, oh. Super slay. Yung mga ganong tingin ni Maloy. Gusto ko yun. Sobrang bigay talaga yung pagkanta ni Master Joe. Love it. Ah. Hindi ko inaya si Maloy doon. My gosh. Second time. Ganda. Ganda ni Mika.
Let's go for a swim. Never been this deep. We'll dive right in. See, boy, love on my skin. Never been this deep. So dive right in.
That part, grabe.
Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. It's like that, just like that, just like that, just like that.
Nice.
Out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you for that wish, Wes. I will do love it. Whew. Excited ako sa mga i-release nyo pa. And, of course, wala na akong masabi na speechless. Kasi naman pangalawang ulit yun Hindi man ako ganun ka detailed mag-react, especially sa beat, sa vocals. Kasi hindi ako ganun ka alam. Basta I just enjoy them. I just enjoy their music and everything. Basta pag nasa harap ko yung bini. Masaya ang puso ko. Yun lang. And I hope you also enjoy this. I think nirelease to nung December 24. Wow, thank you for that Christmas gift. So, that's it. See you on my next reaction video. Bye, Blooms. Ingat.
I ain't skipping meals.